Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you SST chapter 1, our universe. So what is universe? Children, as we all know, we live on earth. But do you all know that earth is also a part of something? There are a lot of objects like earth, sun, moon are available in that space. What is the name of that space where these all planets like earth, moon and sun and other planets are exist? Yes, you are right. This is our universe where there are a lot of planets, stars and many other things which you see or you can't see. But do you know from where the universe comes? The universe comes because of huge explosion called the Big Bang. And after the explosion, universe starts spreading. After so many years, when it's cooled down, there was a formation of stars, planets and solar system. Now, second is the solar system. Do you know what is solar system? Solar system is made up of all the planets and other celestial bodies that move around the sun. Next, sun. The sun. Sun is the largest object in the solar system, which is having 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. Sun contains lot of gases in it. Sun is situated in the center of the solar system, and the earth where we all live in is very near to the sun. Including earth, there are 8 planets which move around the sun. The name of these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The movement of the planet around the sun is called revolution. I repeat my line. Listen me carefully. The movement of planet around the sun is called revolution. And the movement of the planet at their own axis is called rotation. Once again I am repeating my line. And the movement of planet at their own axis is called rotation. Earth is only unique planet because people can live there. Apart from stars, every planet needs sun for light. Only stars are having their own light. Next, the moon. The moon is natural satellite on the earth. The moon does not have its own heat or light. You have also seen moon changes its shape, and the changes of the shape is called phases of moon. Now, recap time. First, the universe means everything that exists. Second, the sun is a huge ball of gases. Third, the planets shine and reflect the sun's light. Fourth, our Earth is the third farthest planet from the sun. And fifth is, The moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Thank you.